Hello guys, welcome back to Sag Skills in this Firebase series. So now in this video, we will allow the user to log in. I mean, if the user is successfully registered in our Firebase Firestore, so we have to log in user by the same email and password which user has registered by the email and password. So for that, we have to create two functions in our login page. So come to the login page. First of all, come to the sign up page. And here you will see this function void save user to Firebase. So here we have to add one more field right here, status, and it will be active, and put comma. Make sure add this field also. It means if the user is active on the application, so we are going to login user. If the user is not active, it deactivated or something like a block by the admin or something, so we will not allow to user login. So come to the login screen, and here this, after this controller we have to write Firebase auth dot instance, sorry, Firebase auth is underscore auth equals to Firebase auth dot instance now, and make it final. Now here we have to create one function so that we can login user. So underscore login, and sorry, underscore, you can say underscore login user, and like this it will be type of void, and put here async. Now inside this we have to show dialog box, and here remove this builder and put two round brackets, right here con. After this put two curly brackets and put semicolon at the end, and inside this return loading alert box, and message will be signing, and this is the make this const, now this, and put semicolon. And after this we have to create one variable inside this user, and it will be current user, like this. Now here await underscore auth dot sign in with email and password, this one, sign in with email and password, and let's break this code like this. And email will be underscore email dot text dot trim, and now password will be underscore password dot text dot trim, and after this dot, then, and remove this, put two curly brackets, put semicolon, and here write results, and here not results, auth. Now here current user equals to auth dot user, put semicolon, and after this come here, remove this from here, remove this semicolon, put here catch error, and put two curly brackets and write here error, and here put two curly brackets and semicolon, and here show dialog box, and here builder, remove this builder, write here con, put two curly brackets and semicolon, and return here, return error alert, and message will be error dot message dot to string, and put semicolon like this. After here this, write here if condition, if current user is not equals to null. So it not equals to null, what we have to do here, we have to navigator dot pop context and put semicolon, and here remove this here. Say we have to write one function get user data, and it will be current user dot uid, and put semicolon and click on it and add an check. Now it's showing error, we have to create this function. So first of all, let's write here else condition also. Else you can say print error and put semicolon. So let's create this function now, this one. So right here after this get user data, and here like this, and it will type void. Here remove this non near this, here right here a string uid, and here right here async type, and here await Firebase firestore dot instance dot collection, and collection is users, and dot doc uid dot get dot then, and remove this, put two curly brackets and semicolon, and instead of value write here results, and now here make a variable here string status equals to results dot data, and it will be status, which we have added in the beginning of this video. And here add a null check, put here semicolon and add a null check here like this. Now here if status equals to active, so what we are going to do, we will allow the user login, and here we will type simply this navigator dot for context root new routes, and we are sending to welcome screen, and put here semicolon, no comma, we will check it. We will write here else condition for else underscore auth dot sign out, and here we have to just copy this, and after this paste it here and change it to login, because we are sending user to login screen if the user is not active or password or email not correct. So again we are sending to login screen, and after this here show dialog box, and here remove this builder, write here con and put two curly bracket, put semicolon, inside this return a alert, error alert, and message will be hey you are might be you are not registered or you have been deleted. And now here put here const, and this is the message here, put semicolon here. Now it is ready, and remove this here, and here put this round brackets 1. That's all. Now we have to pass this function in our login button. So when user will press on login, so this function will start working. I mean. So here this is our login function, this is login and login button, and here we have to pass it. First of all, we will give one condition: if email control.text is not empty and underscore password dot text is not empty, so underscore login, this function will work. Else, so dialog, and it will be so dialog builder con and this, and here return alert, error alert, and message will be hey. You can say please write correct email or password and make here const. Now that's all, and put semicolon here. Now we did everything is okay, and we have created these function, these two function. This is our login function. So here if everything is okay, we are saying signing, and if the user is equals to current user is equals to dot out user, so we are saying this error alert box here, and here we are passing if current user is not equals to null, so we are getting the data from our database, and this is the function from the user collections. And if the status is active, here let me show you in Firebase. Come to the Firebase and click on Firestore, and here we have to register. Actually we deleted our data, no worry, we will check it. So it will be status active. If status is active, we are sending to welcome screen, else we will be log out the user and back and go to the login screen again, and we will display this message, hey, you are not registered or you have been deleted. So let's test this app is working or not. Let's click on this run button, and it will be installed in our phone. We have to wait, and as you can see, it's installing in our phone. We will be on this page. We are sending to, let's change this route first. Come to the main, and instead of this write here sign up screen, and now hot reload, and let's see. Now we are on size. Let's register new user, because we have added status, so we will check it's working or not. So here first write name, so write here seg skills, and write email address. So email address will be seg@gmail, and then phone number, anything, and the password, this one, and let's click on this OK here and put registered here. Now we are on login screen because we have password. So if user is successfully registered, we are sending user on login screen, not welcome screen. We have changed this. You can change in routes, no problem. Let's check in our database is working or not. So refresh. And you can see we have this user and this is the status is active, you can see. Now let's log in. Come to the here and let's log in by the same email and password which we have registered here. As you can see here, authentication, this is our email address here, authentic. So let's write this email here, seg, this one, and the password was 123456, and let's check it. Click on this login and it's open. Yeah, it's working fine. We are now welcome screen. So in the next video we will allow the user log out from this screen. So see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you.